Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. I really appreciate you all. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cut and sew V-shaped neck top with buff sleeve. Please, my material is not enough. It's different from the cover picture because of the sleeve, but it's the same style that um we have, but just that the sleeve is small. My own is small. So guys, please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today, guys. Alright, so this is the fabric that we are using for today's tutorial. It's a small Duchess material that we are using. So I'm cutting the two pieces together, the front and the back piece. So I will draw a straight line for us to start our measurement. Okay, so don't forget we are making V-neck shape top with a puff sleeve. So I will go ahead to take the length of my top, which is 24 inch. So the length is by 24 inch. My shoulder is by 8 inch. Okay, so my width is, so don't forget the shoulder is by 8 inch. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line for that. So guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. It's a beautiful style that we are making. So I'll go for my width, which is by 11 inch. Alright, so I'm going to use 4.5 inch for my neckline. Then the depth of my neckline is by 7 inch. So the depth is by 7 inches. So I'll just draw a line for that. So the back of my depth, so the back depth is by 2 inch. So I'll just give a curve. It's a round neck at the back. So we'll start with our body measurement. My bust is by 42 inch. So I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay. So I'll just give a curve for my armhole. My half length measurement is by 50 inch. So I'm going to use 40 inch for my waistline, and I'm going to also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So my hemline is by 42 inch, and I also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So what I'll do now, just connect all the marks together. So guys, keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making. It's a unique style that we are making, and the neckline is V-shape. It's going to have small puff sleeve on it. It's different from the cover picture because of the fabric that we are using the sleeve, but it's the same thing. So I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Okay, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. So I'm going to use 1 inch to curve my shoulder, my downside of my top, because I don't want it to be too straight. So I'm using 1 inch to curve it. So you can see how simple it is to cut and sew this style that we are making. It's very simple. Just keep on watching this tutorial to the end. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. Like this particular video, please watch it to the end to support this channel to grow, because I really want this channel to grow this year, and we can do that together by supporting each other. And you can also click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial. I can also check the other tutorial that I have on my channel. I also have styles that you can also learn how to cut and sew on my channel, so you can also check it. Okay, so after cutting it, we are going to learn how to also cut the sleeve. So what I will do now, I will pull out the front neckline out so that we can cut it. Okay, so this is how to go about it when making your own. So we are cutting the V shape neckline now. So that is the front neckline. It has V shape. Okay, and we are using this fabric, is a Duchess material, very unique color, and the top is also simple top that you can wear out on your jean, can also wear it out on your skirt. So after watching this tutorial, try to practice it so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. You can actually make this top for yourself so that you can wear it out, and you can also wear it out to your place of work. It's a very simple style to cut and sew on your own. So keep on watching the tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style, and we are going to also wear it out for you to see the fitness of the top. So now is the sleeve. Okay, so I'm folding it into two pieces. So I'm cutting the two sleeves together. So I'll go for my width, which is by 7 inch. Alright, so the length I'm going to go by 30 inch, and I'm going to also use 1.5 inch for my armhole, then I'll curve it. Okay, you can see how simple it is. So we are going to also use our elastic to off the sleeve, because it's going to have buff on it. So after cutting it, I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll run a stitch on it at the edge of the sleeve so that we can use our elastic to pass on it. And you can get your elastic from where they are selling tailoring material. It's very affordable. So when making your own, try to use the procedure that we use in cutting this top today and cut your own. So now we want to use our elastic to pass through the sleeve. So I've run a stitch on it, and this is how to go about it when cutting your own and making your own. So I'm going to wear it out now for you to see the fitness. Alright, this is the outcome of our top today. Very simple and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. You can also subscribe, like and comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you can also get to see my new tutorial whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel. You'll be the first to see it and watch it. Please, our long videos are on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Please, you can check my other tutorial now.